Kwesi Arthur.
Okay.
Kwesi Arthur Nansiana confirmed say he dated Efia Odo.
Yeah.
First in the day.
And a date and Efia Odo ne didn't want to share no.
Well, or they know if they had some intimacy between them, name be Koswa.
Says our video no and they will be so.
Yes. Please. This came as a result of Kwesi Arthur a granted interview with Andy Dusty on his FM.
Yeah.
Kwesi Arthur confirm say on no ground up ni label no crowd free. So say ni label also ye CC.
CC, okay.
Also what the Tony grandmother open SOMPA we free.
Okay.
He say that is the record label
also.
Or on one critique also.
Okay.
Now, Efia Odo during the interview with Andy Dusty, Kwesi Arthur no. And confirming say on your single BM. He's a married man. He's been married for some months.
Wow.
Nancy and Efia Odo podcast only ladies beat her, and then she made some allegations. One thing I have always been saying about relationship is you should know how people handle pain.
Okay.
Ebia na Efia Odo nim say
they all can
settle now as a married man.
Okay.
Hearing this news, maybe she's pained in a way.
Okay.
So she's coming out to make her usual rants.
Yeah.
But let me say this. You see, there's nothing wrong with, dating someone and breaking up. Break up, no. Sometimes it's in a style. There are some people you break up with them, you are still cool with them.
Yeah.
There are some people you break up with them, you don't want to see their face.
Yeah.
I know, sir, at this point, Efia Odo is not all that cool with Kwesi Arthur.
Okay.
Kwesi Arthur wasn't the one Efia Odo said. What off on a man?
Yes. I'm on for the link here, cry.
At the point now, Efia Odo share Kwesi Arthur, I can confirm and I can say with no qualms, say Kwesi Arthur was okay.
Oh no, you're very
little
okay.
And petty things na Efia Odo can.
Yeah.
And your name obey demand free Efia Odo.
They be.
But what Kwesi Arthur is saying is say he was led by what is down there and not his brain. And fees, one thing I can confirm and say, as a man, what is down there in your brain, they will never meet.
Okay, and sync it. And synchronize it.
What is down there, when it is upper, your brain is very low.
Okay.
And when your brain is upper, what is down there
is very low.
What Kwesi Arthur is confirming, they say he was led by what is down there because when you look at Efia Odo, she's a nice looking girl.
Oh yes,
she appears good,
sexy.
Swati I say.
And now it's me kabama kama.
Inti ehono. Kwesi Arthur patch say bibi never down on the
LED no.
But I feel say it shouldn't have come from him because Obi ani nenya bibi no very good heart towards you there. It shouldn't have come. Yes, please, Mami, the last story.
Under 1 minute.
Yes.